On the heels of the announcement by Education Minister Favour Williams of a pilot program for face-to-face classes, TVJ News visited communities in rural St. Anne where the calls are getting louder for the physical resumption of school. As Shamila Pullen now reports, it is feared scores of students are being left behind.
It's 8:45 a.m. Thursday, and children should be in online classes. But in the rural community known as Wild Cane in St. Anne, these children are instead playing a game of hopscotch while this 8-year-old boy shows off his skills on this old bicycle. They're not in class because of poor internet service and lack of access to devices.
I write in their book or on a chart, like a book leaf, something like that, put it up on the door, teach them to read, spell and read. So I do all of that.
Angela Chambers is a mother of 8. Her children attend the school in nearby Mount Moriah, which is within walking distance of their home. The area has no recorded case of COVID-19.
The best thing would have for them to go to school, yes, that would be the best thing for them. They would learn better.
I'm living in this area and we don't have any COVID case here. So for the schools in this area, I think the children could go back to school because they are the same children. They go to the same church, they play together, they basically eat together. So I think they could go back to school.
Unlike Wild Cane and Mount Moriah, the adjoining community Cascade recorded a single case of COVID-19, and the spread was quickly contained by the health authorities. Still, parents and teachers are mindful of the risks.
You have teachers, you have other students come from all different homes. People go to market, they go to parties, they go to everything. So you don't know, we can't trust nobody.
Especially the children, they can go out, or the parents can go out and come in and bring it in. And you also have the persons who are asymptomatic. Those students, they may not show signs.
But they argue the children are being left behind.
The other day I was saying to my last son, he's 8-year-old, I was saying to him, oh, I'm going to visit Duncy set of children. He laughed. But I said, well, I'll teach you what I know.
Education Minister Favour Williams on Wednesday said 73 schools are ready for phased reopening, but only 17 will be part of a 2-week trial starting November 9. Some rural schools are also getting ready.
Face-to-face, probably you can tell them to come in like an hour early, and they can leave like an hour later. I will be there for them to plan and help them to reach where I want them to reach.
We started preparing from July to get this, to have the face-to-face by having our classrooms marked out, and we measure them and know how far the students will sit. So we are far advanced in our preparation.
Shamila Pullen, TVJ News.